Decorating a studio apartment. 6 genius ideas for small spaces. Living in a studio apartment doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. With the right design choices, you can turn even the smallest space into a beautiful, cozy, and functional home. In today's video, we'll explore creative ideas to decorate studio apartments, maximize storage, and make your space feel bigger and brighter. 1. Start with the right color palette. Colors can completely change how your studio feels. Light shades like white, beige, or soft gray make the room appear larger and brighter. Don't be afraid to add a bold accent color like navy or emerald green through pillows, rugs, or artwork. The key is keeping the tones cohesive so the space doesn't feel cluttered. 2. Choose smart, multifunctional furniture. In small apartments, every piece of furniture should work harder for you. Think sofa beds, foldable dining tables, or ottomans with hidden storage. Transparent furniture, like glass coffee tables or acrylic chairs, also helps the room look open and airy. 3. Divide the space without walls. Even though a studio is open plan, you can still create the feeling of separate zones. Use bookshelves, lightweight screens, or even rugs to define different areas for sleeping, working, and relaxing. This gives structure to your space and makes it feel organized. 4. Lighting makes all the difference. Good lighting transforms small spaces. Maximize natural light with sheer curtains instead of heavy drapes. Add layers of lighting ceiling lamps, table lamps, and even string lights to make your apartment cozy. Mirrors are another great trick to reflect light and make the space look larger. 5. Get creative with storage. Storage is often the biggest challenge in a studio. Use vertical space with floating shelves, tall cabinets, and wall-mounted hooks. Underbed drawers and stylish storage boxes are perfect for keeping things hidden but accessible. And if possible, consider a Murphy bed to save tons of space. 6. Add personality. Your studio should reflect you. Decorate with artwork, framed photos, or a gallery wall. Add indoor plants for freshness and color. Soft textiles like cushions, throws, and rugs will make the space warm and inviting. Remember, the key is smart storage, functional furniture, and a cohesive design style. With just a few changes, you can transform your small space into a home you truly love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interior design tips. See you in the next one.